Hello and welcome to D.Buzz, a microblog built on the Hive blockchain. It is secure and censorship resistant, and you own your account keys. Today, we're going to talk through the process of signing up for a new account. Step 1 is to go to the big sign up button. This will bring you to the hiveonboard.com webpage. This is where you go to sign up for a new account. When you land on the page, scroll down to where it says username and select one that you like. Do not start with a space or with a number. Start with a couple letters to find a unique username. Please note that currently there are no ways to change your username on the Hive blockchain or on D.Buzz. So once you select one, it is yours for life. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use a long name. It is going to be censored for the sign-up process. After you have found a name that is acceptable, agree to the terms of service and continue. The second phase in creating an account is to back up your account keys. Your account keys are unique to you. We do not control them. If you lose a copy of these, you will not be able to log into your account or interact on the blockchain in any fashion. It is important that you keep these keys very safe and keep these numbers with you. Do not give these out to anybody who asks for them, as they could take ownership of your account and transfer your money away. Here you'll notice your username and password. This password is used for resetting your account should you need to. The owner key allows you to do the same in a different way. The active key will allow you to transfer Hive tokens on and off the blockchain and to other individuals. To interact on D.Buzz, we just make use of your posting key. This is your posting key, your private posting key, and the one that we will be using when we log in. The memo key is currently not used, but it enables you to send encrypted messages on the blockchain. If you scroll down, you'll be prompted to download and back up your password. We highly encourage you to back up several copies of this in multiple locations, or even print out a paper copy to keep it safe. Again, if you lose your account keys, we cannot help you get back in. It is very important you keep these safe. Click the download button and save your account keys. After you have downloaded your account keys, you can continue to the next step, which is create the Hive account. When you click the button, a pop-up window will appear asking you to verify your phone number. This is a one-time process to enable authenticity on the blockchain. Hive Onboard will not sell your phone number to third parties or use it in any marketing efforts. It is merely to verify the authenticity of you and to make sure people do not take advantage of the system. Enter your phone number and click Request SMS, and in a few moments a number will arrive on your phone. After you've completed the verification process, you will be brought back to the D.Buzz platform for logging in. When you return to D.Buzz after setting up your account, we're going to go log in. For the sake of this tutorial, we're going to log in with our username and posting key. Alternately, you can add your information to the Hive keychain and log in with just your username in the future. But for now, let's log in with our username and our posting key. When you're doing the sign up, you are prompted to download a text file with all your important keys on it. Find that file and open it up. You'll have your username that you can copy and paste into the login. Also, you'll go down to your posting key and copy that and post it into the posting key. After this, just click Submit, and you'll notice that you have been logged in to D.Buzz. At this point, you can start making your first post by going down to Buzz and saying hello world. Thank you for taking time to review this tutorial. If you have any questions, please reach out to us on Discord and send us a message. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy your time on D.Buzz, the microblogging platform built on the Hive blockchain.